Now this is the alawai, and we have a fence here at the walkway. This is unit 106, and we're coming through the door to the living room area. Hi, Peter.
Hi, Pat.
He is my realtor. And
this is your home.
This is my home. It's listed for $285 and very well staged. And then you look over to the right and you see the kitchen is very nice.
Good size kitchen.
Good size, big enough for me and someone else if I have to or want to. And that's the kitchen. All the plumbing's redone.
The electrical plumbing inside the unit are redone.
Uh-huh. And all the walls are thick. Yeah. Now we're going into the bathroom area, all tile floors. There's no door here, but it's open for air ventilation. And this is the bedroom. Nice size bed, fits in here, and that's the air conditioner in the window. And we see outside the nice greenery, and it's nice and quiet because it's away from the traffic. This is the little bathroom, which is quite small, but it's big enough for one person or two. And there I am. We'll get away from that. And this is the shower, which is very nice. See here? I'll turn the, and it has a light in here. And there is the tile, mosaic type, and the curtain. Okay, we close this. A nice door. It's not one of those flimsy doors. And here we go. This bedroom has a nice door also. And that's about it. This is the beautiful bedroom. It's just big enough. And see how nice the windows are, the old-fashioned windows that slide open. And there's a mirrored closet. Now you open this up and you can see it's quite nice. It's big enough for your belongings. Can't have a lot of things in here. It's very compact. And in here, some little shelves. Shelves that go up and down here. All freshly painted. It's all remodeled and ready to go. Old military housing, but it's been refurbished completely. Fan overhead, and there's Peter again.
I like the location. If you, in the future, you decide to rent it out, it'll be very easy to rent out. Okay. And you'll get a very good rent, or a good rate.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I heard some units, one bedroom is renting and was from 1,300 to 1,800.
Mm-hmm. And it might be going up too.
It's going to go up, yeah. Especially in this location. You're in the heart of Waikiki, behind the convention center, and Ala shopping mall. They're all within walking distance.
Yes. Yeah. And down here is the original walkway with bricks.
Yeah. This is like the historical neighborhood of Waikiki.
Yes.
It's full of history.
And it's right near the Magic Island, isn't it?
Well, you can walk to Magic Island, Ala Moana Beach Park.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And the mouth of the alawai is right here, isn't it, Peter?
Yes. Yeah, this is right in front of your house.
Yes.
Yeah, you
and
can't
the bridge
find
goes
another place better than this.
Very quiet, no traffic.
For this price.
Mm-hmm. $285. It's very good.
And then fee simple.
Fee simple, you own it. And then the taxes are $58 a month. And then the association maintenance
fee is $256 per month.
Which includes the common areas and the maintenance fee, sewer, water, cold water. And then that's about it. So it makes it very convenient. Thank you, Peter.
You're welcome.